History of Korean alphabet Hanguel. The Korean alphabet is known as Hanguel. The letter of Hangul represents sounds, phonetics of Korean language. Hangul was invented by the great king Sejong, who was the ruler of Chosun dynasty. Chosun dynasty started from 1392 and its first ruler was Lee Song-gae. Chosun dynasty lasted till 1910 when Japan colonial rule began. Before the invention of Hangul, Korean wrote in Chinese characters called Idu, which represented the Korean sounds. King Sejong was a great scholar and he wanted to improve literacy in Korea. Originally, Hangul was composed of 28 letters, 11 vowels, and 17 consonants. He named his language as Honmin Jeongim. At present, Hangul has 40 letters, characters, 21 are vowels, and 19 are consonant, 24 are the basic letter, and remaining 16 are compounds formed from the basic letter. Thank you and goodbye.